Hello everyone and welcome to SNS Study Station again. So today the topic which we are going to see is critical path method, that is CPM. CPM, or you can say critical path method full form. So it is one of the techniques of project management. Project management means where we can do a different activities, a set of activities, but that should be performed in some order. So this CPM is a method, is a technique of project management, and here we usually find out the longest path in the network, and that we can identify. There will be a process through which we can find out the critical path, and then we'll see how we can, with the help of this question, I will explain how you can find out the critical path. Okay, and for that, as you can see this question, consider the details of the project as shown in the table. So there is information, there's a table which is given here. In this table we have activity, we have immediate predecessors, and we have duration. And what we have to do is construct the CPM network. Before finding critical path, first we have to create a network. So a network, there will be a network which we have to create before finding the path, because there should be some like diagram, a network should be there, and then only we can find out the critical path from start to end position, how we will go. Okay, that we will find out later. So in this question we'll create a network. We'll try to create a network with the help of this table, this information which is given. So here we have activities from A to N, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. All these are activities which will be performed. Then there is immediate predecessors. What does this mean? Immediate predecessors simply mean for each activity, like if you say D is given, okay, so before for D, B is the immediate predecessor, right? What does that mean? Ki before D activity we have to perform B, then only we can go for D. Like for E we have to perform A, then only we can go for E. So E will be connected with A, F will be connected with A, G will be connected with B. Okay, like this. Somewhere you can find out 2 predecessors, somewhere 3, somewhere single predecessors, and here there are places where you cannot find out any predecessor. For A, B, C, if you see, so here there is no predecessor, means A, B and C are the initial activities. First we have to perform these activities A, B, C, and then later on we'll see the other things. So for these A, B, C activities we don't have any predecessor. And then this third duration, third column you can see as duration. Duration is given in months. For activity A, duration is 2 months. For activity B, duration is 5 months. Like this it is given for each activity. So this information is given. Based on this we have to create a network, CPM network we have to create. So how we can create? First we'll start with the first node. Okay, we'll start with the first node. First node, these all you will understand, these all terms you will understand once you see how to create a network. So these all is going to be very, very easy. Okay, just you have to keep patience and you have to understand it carefully. So here first we have to start activity A, activity B and activity C. These 3 things we have to start from the first point. Okay, because there is no predecessor before it. So activity A, let's say I'm starting it here. Okay, this is activity A. Okay, I'll use this is activity A, and activity A duration is 2 months. So I'll write it here in bracket, 2 months. Then we have activity B. So then we have this activity known as B. activity B and activity C. Like this we'll do. So activity B duration is 5 and C is 4. So here I have made B as 5 and C as 4. So all three activities are starting from the initial node, that is from the first node. These activities are starting. Now here second node, third node and fourth node. Okay, because for each activity starting and ending node will be different. Okay, so A activity is going from 1 to 2, B activity is going from 1 to 3 and C activity from 1 to 4 node. So these 1 to 3 numbers are known as nodes. This we will call as nodes. Okay, now we'll move to the next activity. So next will be, okay, now you have to see A, B, C are completed. Next we have D. So for D, here is a predecessor, that is B. Okay, means what does it mean? Before D we have to perform B. Before D we have to perform B. Okay, so one thing is clear, that D activity will start from B. So D activity will start after B. So D activity will start from here, third node. One thing is clear. Okay, then there is one more thing which we need to check is, so is D activity, is this D activity predecessor anywhere? So you just check in the predecessor column, is D activity there? So you can see here CD, here CD. In these two places we have this D activity. Okay, and that is connected with C. If that is an individual one, no problem. But if the activity which we are going to draw network, if that is a predecessor somewhere and that too is connected, D is connected with C. So what does it mean? CD will be together. CD will be together means CD will end together. Okay, for C and D, ending node will be same. If there are activities which are immediate predecessors for any other activity, so if there are immediate predecessors where we have 2 activity or 3 activity or more, then it means the ending nodes for all those activities will be same. So D we have to start with B, D we have to start from the third node, that is clear, but C and D should end at the same place. And for C activity we have the ending node as 4. Okay, for C activity ending node is 4. For D activity also ending node should be 4. D will start from 3 and its ending will be 4. Understood? D will start from 3 and its ending node will be 4. And for D activity we have 5 as duration, 5 months duration. Like this we have to form. I hope it is getting clear to you. Okay, so for D activity we have D activity immediate predecessor was B, so we have started D with B, but we have to check whether D activity is predecessor somewhere. So D activity was predecessor here, so it is coming along with C, so that means C and D ending node will be same. So C ending node was already there 4, now D ending node also will be 4 and D will start from 3. So from 3 to 4 we have to form D activity. Okay, if you have any doubt you can put the comment, so I'll explain it to you. Now next activity is E. For E activity immediate predecessor is A, that means E will start from A. And is E there anywhere? So E is not there in the E is there in the predecessor column. Here E is here in the predecessors column. So but E, that is independent, so we can form it. So E will start from A, and here we can write ending node as 5 because next number is 5, and E month is 7, so E 7, like this we can write. The next activity, So next we have, okay, this all I will remove. Next we have which activity? F. F also is starting from A. So F, but F you can see F is here. F is coming with FGH. F is coming with FGH, means G and H, along with G and H it is coming. That means for F, G and H ending node will be same. Okay, so G and H we have not formed yet, so we'll form it later, but this you have to keep in mind, FGH will end together. So for activity F, the immediate predecessor is A. Now this we can form. From A we have to start F. So I think I can move it towards this area and then 6th node, and then this will be the F activity with duration 3. So F activity duration 3. Like this I have formed this. Now next activity is G. For G activity, predecessor is B. G will start from B, and one thing is FGH will end together. So G will start from here and it will end with F. So G will start and come here. Okay, one more thing, you have to put arrows like this. Okay, from 1 to 4 we have come, from 3 to 4 we have come, then from 2 to 5, from 2 to 6, and then this 3 to 6 we have come. So this 3 to 6 is G activity with duration 3. Okay, then next activity is H, and H is starting from C and D. Okay, so C and D is here, and for H also ending node will be with F and G. So H will start from here and end here. So now F, G and H are ending at the same place, H duration 6. Like this we have to create. I hope it is getting clear to you. Now next activity we have I. I is starting from C and D. I is there here, but there, that is independent, so fine. I is starting from C and D, so I we can form like this, and I duration is 2. So here we can, next node we have 7 that we can put here. Then next activity we have J. J is starting from E. That means from 5th node we have to start J, and J is here. J is here with K. So K also we haven't formed yet, so no problem. J we have to start with E. So J I will start here, and this will be the 8th node, and for J the duration is 5 duration. Then next is K, we have to start from FGH, and K will end along with J. So K we have to start from FGH, means from here we have to start, and it will end with J, means it will come till here, because for K and J the ending node is same. So for K there is 4 duration. Then there is L next, right? L will start from FGH. L is not the predecessor. These three, if you see, LMN is not the predecessor anywhere, means these three will end at the same place. So LMN, L will start from FGH. So L we have to start from FGH, means from here we have to start L. Okay, then L duration is 3. M we have to start from I. So M we have to start from I. Then M duration is 12, and last is N we have to start from JK. So from JK N we have to start, so it will come here, and N duration is 8. So there is the last node, that is 9th node will come here. So this is CPM network. This is known as CPM network. Now we have created this network. In the next video, you will see how to form a critical path through this network. So I hope it is clear to you. One by one you have to check each activity from where it is starting and whether there is immediate predecessor for any activity or not. If there is no predecessor, that means that will start from first node, and for the activities which do not have any predecessors, in this case element, that will start in the ending node, that is 9 here. Thank you.